afternoon and welcome to beautiful Fjäderholmarna here outside of Stockholm. It's a small, really amazing island. Just took the boat here from the pier. Only took like 20 minutes to get here. You have this crazy sunset in the background. Just sat down and had a totally amazing dinner with some salmon, some fish, some roe, and really amazing starters, really fantastic traditional Swedish food as you can see in the background. Just gonna walk around and enjoy this amazing background. Definitely recommend it, come and check it out, enjoy the boat ride, enjoy this incredible sunset. I'm gonna show you guys some clips here in the background. I'm gonna walk around a bit, we'll see what happens next. Yeah, it's a bit chilly when the wind comes out, when the sun is setting here, but really beautiful to walk around on these stones here. If you come in the daytime, you can actually take a swim, walk around the island here. A lot of small cool spots to visit and cafes. Really tiny island, but definitely worth a small visit over the day here for lunch or dinner or both perhaps. Take it easy and just take the boat back. Now we're gonna have a boat back at 8, there's another 10, I think at 11 as well. Just gonna take a stroll here, then go back. So yeah, we'll see what's up next. It's really amazing when just walking in and see the boats in the background. Pretty spectacular. You can just see them cruising past there. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep this video very short here, just share some of these beautiful views in the background. If you have the opportunity to visit Stockholm, definitely recommend it. Come to Fjäderholmarna, have some snack, enjoy the nice view, and get on the boat. But if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.